Do, 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 do. Oh my gosh! Loomian Legacy is officially in the popular list. Look, Loomian Legacy is right here. I'm gonna show you guys. I want to tell you something. Loomian Legacy is in the popular. You can see popular. Oops, popular. Loomian Legacy is in the popular thing. Let me just show you. It's just wait. So excited, guys. Loomian Legacy has been super popular since the update came. It's literally super popular. It's been very popular since the update came. I'm still trying to get Robux to buy the in the store merch dice because I really want to, and you guys can't change me. I mean, like, Loomian Legacy holds a special thing in my heart, and it's pretty much my favorite game so far. And I want to tell you guys something. Loomian Legacy is like my favorite game in the whole Roblox right now, and I'm here to talk about it. Now, I'm going to go in Loomian Legacy, and if you guys didn't see the tweet, well, I don't have Twitter, so I just looked up Loomian Legacy Twitter on Roblox. Anyway, Loomian Legacy actually, Loomian Legacy, I don't have Twitter, so I can't follow Adopt Me. I mean, sorry, I'm just, my friend keeps talking about Adopt Me, so it's like literally stuck in my head. So, Loomian Legacy, I actually really like Loomian Legacy, but I don't have Twitter because I'm not old enough, and, which actually means that, and which also means that, that I don't have like a Twitter account. So I have to like search on YouTube about Adopt Me Twitter. I came into this. I didn't watch the whole video though. So Adopt Me posted this tweet, the vault, and some people think it's the about V-Bucks and stuff or whatever, and yeah, I'm gonna close my webcam right now, and I'm gonna show it to you real quick. But I want to tell you guys something. We do not. I don't know. I don't have location to the ow. I do not have location to the The game is glitching. The game is glitching. Oh god, the game is glitching. Okay, so I don't have location or access to the vault, but people think it's V-Bucks. And why would the Loomian Legacy community work with the what should I call the Fortnite community? I mean, like, why would they work together? It's very weird. And I mean, it's not that like a normal. I'm just saying that why would they work together? That's kind of strange because like Roblox wouldn't let that happen, and it's very confusing. So I'm gonna be trying to get in here. Just try to get. Probably it's gonna take forever. Oh man. 2,000 years later. Oh, I think I'm stuck. Yes, okay. Go in. Swift. Ah! I think I'm stuck. Guys, how do I get out of here? Seriously, how do I get out of here? Oh, I think I'm stuck. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna look at my ID real quick. Okay, so we have these 3 medals, and I want to show you some perks real quick. I saw on YouTube, but I forgot the YouTube channel. Unforgettable. Anyways, real quick, leave the game. Guys, we already rejoined. Okay, this video is taking too long. So dizzy for the holy guys, you saw I can go through. Wait, you guys saw that, right? I just went through it. Okay, we just rejoined the game and now we're inside here. I think this has got to do with something. And is there something behind here? Maybe we can go past right here with a glitch or something. Can we glitch? Wait, I just realized we can actually climb here if I could go on this. Okay, well, we can't get out of this. Okay, we're actually outside here. All you have to do is just get stuck in there, and then just rejoin, and then we'll be in here. Or you just have a slow computer, and this will happen. But let's just do it. Come on, I want to do that trick again. That looks so epic. Okay. Wait, guys, is this there's a fly. Okay. Head to Route 8. I don't know how to head to Route 8. I want to do that glitch again. Come on. So, guys, do you think we unlocked a new map? Oh my gosh. Wait, did someone just see? Hey dude, get me out of here. I'm trapped. No one ever knows that. But I'm going. Wait. Holy. Wait, I can walk on this? This is amazing. Everyone could, like, just see me up here and they'll be like, hey, what are you doing up there? They're like, how is it possible that you're over there? And, yeah, that would be so crazy. But obviously it would be very weird. And, just wait real quick. I'm going to do something. Alright, hidden heroes, we are on the rooftop. We are on the rooftop right now and we can see this whole place. It is amazing, I would say. Now, you could use this glitch freely and I recommend it because it's so worth it and you can just jump down and feel like you're God. And it's pretty fun, honestly. Wait, how do I get back up? Oh no, I'm trapped! Okay, I'm just kidding, bro. Why would I say I'm trapped? So, let's go over here. Okay, we're over here, right here, and we don't know how to climb, so we're pretty much just stuck here like a jail cell. It's pretty useless, and I'm just gonna go up here. Do now. Just jump? Yeah, we're just gonna jump. Whee! Yeah. Okay. So we're going to teleport home and do something very awesome. I just researched. Wait. Oh, sorry. I thought I couldn't do this. Okay. Gillo hop time. skill hopped. If you guys are wondering why my cousin isn't in this video, because he's not in this video, that's why. My cousin's not in this video because of that. And just go faster and run, because I'm trying to gain an experience with this thing. And go to our house. When you go to your house, you can just look at this. This is gonna be so epic. Look at this, bruh. Alright. Just go up. Oh, oops. Oh, sorry, guys. I'm not used to do this on the computer. Oh, wait. What? Oh, you guys saw that glitch, right? Oh my gosh! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 gems to explore. This is gonna be epic. And look at these medals. These are so epic. Oh my gosh. It looks so cool. And I just realized that, oh wait, you know what? Never mind. I'm just going on. Anyways, let's go outside real quick. You guys saw the glitch where I just walked through the stairs, right? Crazy. Anyways. Oh wait, I just forgot why. God. Oh wait, oh yeah, I remember now. Sorry guys. Such forgetfulness. Anyways, come here. I'm gonna teleport us to Sylvan City. Epic moment. Okay, oh, okay. I just saw them naked. Alright, let's go inside. Can we battle the stadium again? Let's see. I just want to test it, because I was on our weekend. Just can I on air? Ooh, I can't come in there though. Oh, okay. I want to go in the battle theater and challenge them again. But sadly, I can't. I really want to battle the theater again because it's very exciting and very trembling as well. And the puzzles are amazing, especially if you know them all. And yeah, and I'm going to show you guys something. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway on Wimpor if you guys don't have it, because like Wimpor are very rarely found, but it's very common for us. It's very common for me and the kid, my cousin, and to find Wimpor. We found 1,000, and I found my first gleaming. This is the first gleaming I ever caught. Wait, this is an alpha. Oh, so this is a alpha gleaming, because it says alpha over here. So I'm gonna be trading this, and if you want to enter, my giveaway on getting that gleaming, subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't see who the winner is. And I'm giving away this Dusket to, I think it's level 10. That's why. Oh wait, Hyper Intender. It's pretty cool. And someone gave it to me, which is very helpful. And Startle, Brain Rush, Final Result. All these normal move sets, but we're gonna see you guys later, Hidden Heroes. Goodbye. This is awkward.